Hey guys, it's me, Angel.B, coming at you with another look. So today I wanted to do something a little bit different for me. I tried to do a more natural look. It came out beautiful. I love it. I'm not a natural look person, but it came out really good. I did get the Juvia's Place chocolate palette, and I wanted to see what I could come up with. And it has a lot of just browns and stuff in it, so that's what I went with. So yeah, if you want to see how I beat my face, then stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're going to start off with the Plouise base, and we're going to go ahead and put this all over our lid to create a clean canvas to work on. Alright, so now I'm going to go into the Chocolates palette by Juvia's Place, and the shade is number 1. And I'm going to go ahead and put this down all over my whole lid, the bottom half of my lid. And what I want to do is just do little by little with the brown to build the shade up. And as I'm putting it down, I'm also blending it out. Alright, so in that same palette, we're going to use shade 4, and I'm going to put this right on the edge of the dark brown, and I'm going to lighten it by blending it, and I'm going to take it up to my brow bone. Okay, to highlight our brow bone, we're going to use the Jaclyn cosmetic, and it's the Flare, and the shade is Made You Look. And I'm going to just go ahead and do that, and then I'm going to take that lighter brown that we had before, and I'm going to bring that back so that the shimmery and the matte is well blended. Okay, and so for this look, I'm using the Kerhet Dior's liquid liner. And I'm not going to do a wing because I'm doing a natural look. So I'm going to just keep it simple and short. Alright, so I'm using the Mega Length Mascara. And then I'm going to use the Huda Beauty foundation, and my shade is Gingerbread. And I'm going to just pounce this all over my face. Alright, and then for concealer, I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way multi-use concealer, and my shade is Warm Sand, and I'm going to just put this on my chin, under my eyes, and on my forehead, and then the line on my nose. And then I'm going to use a sponge to blend it out, but I always use setting spray to spray my face first. I don't know, it just works for me. But I use the setting spray, then I go ahead and blend that out. Okay, so what I do is I put down the concealer, and then I go back in with my foundation brush to soften out the edges. Alright, and to contour my face, I'm using the black opal foundation stick and beautiful bronze, and I'm gonna go ahead and just contour my face. I contour my face different than everybody else, but that's okay. It works for me. And then, as you can see, I'm going back and I'm spraying it again. Alright, and then to set my concealer, I'm going to use the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. And I push it into my skin. I don't bake. I push it into the skin as well as I can. And then I'll use a brush to sweep it off. Alright, since we went down with a cream, you know we gotta come down with a powder. So I'm using the black Radiance pressed powder in coffee, and I'm just putting this down everywhere that I put the black opal foundation stick. And that way it gives my face more color and it's not just flat. Okay, and then I'm gonna use the Milani pressed powder blush. And let me tell you something about this blush. I love it. Like, it just gives you that oomph that you need. Alright, to highlight my face, I'm using the Jaclyn, the Flare. And I'm just gonna go highlight my face, spray my face with some more Morphe setting spray. And I'm gonna use this highlight to put in my inner corner. And then, boom. Alright, so this is the finished look. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.